We'll explain over here what the Rambam talks about in today's Rambam in Hilchos Shegagos Perek Halacha Beis. So we start off with someone named Yaakov. And as we'll see, a lot of the names here are familiar, but some of the details are going to change. Now, Yaakov is married to his wife named Zilpah, who is not related to, as we'll see, Lavan, who comes into the picture. Yaakov and Zilpah have a daughter named Timnah. Now, Yaakov has another wife named Rachel, who is the daughter of Lavan. And Lavan marries Timnah, because Lavan is allowed to marry Timnah. She's not related to him in any way. It's his son-in-law's daughter from a different wife. Now, Timnah and Lavan have a daughter named Sarach, and that's what we're going to be talking about over here, this granddaughter of Yaakov. We're going to be talking about Yaakov and Sarach. So at this point, Sarach is the granddaughter of Yaakov, because it's his daughter Timnah's daughter, and it's his wife's Rachel's sister, because they have the same father. And so that makes it two isurim of Arayis on Yaakov and Sarach. Moving along, Yaakov has another wife named Leah, and she's not the daughter of Lavan. And she has a son named Reuven. And Sarach marries Reuven, which is allowed, because it's his sister's daughter, it's his niece. And now there's another Isser on Yaakov and Sarach, that she's his daughter-in-law, because Reuven is Yaakov's son. Moving along, Reuven passes away, and Sarach marries a brother of Yaakov. He has a brother. We're not going to put a name for him over here. Now we have to mention over here that this is only Yaakov's brother from his mother, meaning that Yaakov's father Yitzchak is not this brother's father, because otherwise Sarach wouldn't become later allowed to Yaakov's father Yitzchak. We're going to talk about that later on, since she would be his daughter-in-law. She's married to Yitzchak's son. So we're saying that over here it's not Yitzchak's son. It's just that it's Yaakov's brother from his mother. Now we have another Isser on Yaakov and Sarach, that Sarach is his brother's wife. Now the next thing that happens is that this brother passes away, and Sarach marries Yaakov's uncle. So now there's another Isser on Yaakov and Sarach, that she's his father's brother's wife. It's basically his uncle Yishmael's wife, which is forbidden to a person. Now the next thing that happens is that Yishmael passes away as well, and then Sarach does Yibum with Yishmael's brother Yitzchak. Now in the Torah, Yitzchak is chayiv to do Yibum. It's only Mid'Rabbanan that it's forbidden, since Sarach is his great-granddaughter. He has a son Yaakov, who has a daughter Timnah, who has a daughter Sarach. But that's only also Mid'Rabbanan. And so therefore, if he is over on this Isser D'Rabbanan and he does Yibum, the Kedushin are Taifus. So now there's another Isser on Yaakov and Sarach. She's his father's wife. And at this point, she's married. And if you add her being a Nida, there are 8 Isurim. What are the 8 Isurim? Number 1, she's Bas Bitay, the daughter of his daughter Timnah. She is Achais Ishtay, because the sister of his wife Rachel. They both have the same father, Lavan. She is Kalasei, because she was married to his son Reuven. She is Eishes Achiv, because his brother was married to her. She is Eishes Achi Aviv, because his uncle Yishmael was married to her. She is Eishes Aviv, because she's the wife now of his father Yitzchak. She is an Eishes Ish, and she is a Nida. So we have 8 Isurim.